What's going on, everybody? Jacob here with the Spaniard Company Real Estate. I'm so excited to introduce our brand new listing at 15 Kreiderman Lane. Now, this brand new build has been actually updated throughout. So you've got an updated kitchen with a new island, stainless steel appliances, 3 bedrooms, just over 1,500 square feet. But I'm gonna stop talking about it, let you guys go take a look. And if you need anything, never hesitate to contact me at the information listed below. Enjoy the tour.